I'd like to show you how to assemble the Blue Giant cardboard blocks. So when you get them, you are going to get some pieces that look just like this, and these are the center core. So first thing I like to do is fold those back and forth and separate these. So I like to break these all apart at the same time. And so you want to fold it all the way in both directions. And then these are designed so it breaks easily in this direction, but it doesn't bend in this direction as easily. So as you break those off, keep this side up. And also, if you find that it's not snapping for you, if the cardboard gets a little bit damp, it won't snap. So put it in a dry space for a little while, and that will make it easier. And so here you can see that this snaps very well that way. If I tried to bend that over from this side, see, it doesn't work very well. So make sure you're just folding it from the side that is cut the most. And then you put those together. And put a piece of tape on both ends. Or another way to do it is you can put a piece of tape like that and roll it and cut it, and that works just as well also. So it's helpful if you break those creases in, and then we're going to fold these flaps up, and we don't have to fold those yet, and fold that end and bring that up. And then we're going to take our insert, and that holds that in place, and then we bring this up, and then by holding it over the edge, it's easy for my thumbs to get under it and bring that up and tuck that in like that. And then I can turn it around. And now I fold these sides in and take the other piece and put it here and bring that up and tuck it in. So this is how I like to assemble the smaller squares. I like to have it hanging over the edge of the table, and then roll it up like this, and then roll up the other side, pull those down and those in. And then by having it hang over the side, I can have my thumbs easily get under this and fold that up. Tuck that in, and same thing. So this is always the same motion, and you'll get faster and faster as you go along.